Hello dosto, welcome to Amjad Tech Info YouTube channel, and today my topic is how to build a workforce management plan. So first of all, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let's start my video. That's the subsidio breaks down the practical steps to create a workforce management plan that usually works in today's complex contact center environment. Content center leaders know the familiar cycle all too well is scrapping to fill unexpected scheduling gaps, watching service levels drop during surprise volume spikes, and dealing with frustrated agents who feel their work-life balance takes a big seat to operational demands. Effective workforce management isn't just about having enough people on the clock, it's about having the right people with the right skills at precisely the right moments. The difference between a good and great workforce management can mean millions in saved cost dramatically, improved customer satisfaction, and perhaps most importantly, happier agents who stick around. We have gathered insights from organizations that transformed their approach to scheduling and staffing and distilled their experiences into a roadmap you can follow right now. What is a workforce management plan? A workforce management plan is a strategic framework that aligns staffing needs with the business's goals. It ensures that the right number of employees with the right skills are in the right place at the right time. For contact centers, this means having enough agents to handle customer interactions while optimizing cost and maintaining service levels. And effective WFM plan supports both short-term or operational goals and long-term strategic objectives. The benefits of strategic workforce management. Strategic workforce management transforms how contact centers operate by creating harmony between needs, customer expectations, and agent well-being. When implemented correctly, a comprehensive WFM strategy significantly reduces operational costs through precise stuffing that matches actual demand patterns. This eliminates expensive overstuffing, preventing the service degradation and that comes with understuffing. Customer satisfaction naturally improves as 8 times in degrees, and first contact resolution rates climb with properly scheduled staff handling interactions. Customers spend less time waiting and more time getting their issues resolved by the right agent with the right skills. For agents, strategic workforce management means more than just efficient scheduling. It creates an environment where burnout decreases and engagement rises. By implementing flexible scheduling options and self-service tools, agents gain more control over their work-life balance. This directly addresses one of the industry's biggest challenges, like high attrition rates that plague many contact centers. From a business intelligence perspective, proper workforce management dramatically improves forecasting accuracy. This ripples thought the organization, enabling better budget planning, more strategic hiring decisions, and smarter SEO allocation across departments. Contact centers that implement effective workforce management strategies typically see concrete results: 15.55% improvements in schedule adherence, 10.20% reductions in overtime cost, and significant gains in both customer and agent satisfaction metrics. Core steps to build your workforce management plan. Looking to build your workforce management plan, here are 5 steps that will set you up for success. Step 1: analyze your current workforce. The foundation of any effective workforce management plan starts with a comprehensive understanding of your existing staffing situation. This analysis should go beyond simple head count to reveal the true state of your contact center operations. Begin by gathering detailed data on your current staffing levels across all departments and skills groups. Documents how agents are currently distributed across channels, shifts, and specialists. This mapping exercise often reveals imbalances you might not otherwise notice. Next, collect performance metrics for individual agents and teams. Look at key indicators such as average handle time, first contact resolution rates, quality scores, customer satisfaction ratings, sales convergence rates if applicable. Schedule adherence data provides critical insights into how well your current workforce follows established schedules. How adherence often signals underlying issue with scheduling practices or agent engagement that need addressing in your WFM plan. Don't overlook absent and turnover patterns. High rates in specific departments or shifts may indicate workload problems, leadership issues, or scheduling conflicts that your WFM plan should address. Many contact centers discover that carton shifts consistently experience higher pointing to potential quality of life concerns for those time slots. Finally, analyze peak and slow periods across different time frames. Daily patterns. Identify busiest hours, weekly patterns, busiest day, monthly, and seasonal fluctuations, special events that impact volume. Pro tip: when evaluating your current workforce, don't just look at numbers, assess qualitative factors like team, moral leadership, strength, and cross training opportunities. Ties, human elements often explain the why behind performance metrics. Step 2: forecast demand and workload. Accurate forecasting forms the backbone of any successful WFM plan. For poor forecasting leads to either costly overstuffing or service damaging understuffing. Modern contact centers need sophisticated forecasting data accounts for multiple variables and channels. Start by gathering comprehensive historical contact data across all customer interaction channels, calls, chat, email, social media, and any other touchpoints specific to your business. This multi-channel approach is essential as customer preferences continue to diversify. Identify seasonal patterns and special events that impact volume. Bonds businesses experience predictable fluctuations throughout the year. A retail contact center might see volume double during holiday seasons, while a healthcare provider might experience surges during open enrollment periods. Your forecast must account for growth projections and new business initiatives. Are you launching new products, expanding into new markets? This strategic decisions directly impact staffing needs, often in ways that historical data alone can't predict. Don't forget to factor in external influences like marketing campaigns, product launches, or systems changes. A single television commercial can trigger a 300% increase in contact volume within minutes of airing. Your WFM plan needs to anticipate these spikes. Our WFM software uses AI powered forecasting to analyze these complex patterns and predict future contact volumes with a significantly greater accuracy than traditional spreadsheet based methods. Plus, intelligence machine learning algorithms continually improve as they process more data, making forecasts progressively more accurate over time. Step 3: develop stuffing plans and schedules. Once you understand your demand pattern, it's time to create stuffing plans that align agent viability with anticipated contact volume. This critical step transforms a forecast into actionable schedules that balance operational needs with agent preferences. Effective scheduling must accommodate both business requirements and agent work-life balance. Modern contact centers recognize that inflexible scheduling is a primary driver of agent attrition. At the same time, schedules must ensure service levels remain consistently high. Include buffer time for unexpected demand spikes in your scheduling strategy. The most precise forecast still can't predict every variable. Building in a 5.10% flexibility allows your operation to observe unexpected volume increases without service gradation. Schedule the right skill sets during the right periods. Not all agents have identical capabilities, and customers need vary throughout the day. Complex technical issues. might peak during business hours while general inquiries dominate evenings. Your schedule should reflect these patterns by matching agent skills to anticipated contact types. Balance full-time, part-time resources strategically. Part-time staff can provide valuable coverage during peak periods without the expense of full-time agents during slower times. Many contact centers find that a mix of 70% full-time and 30% part-time staff offers optimal flexibility. Don't forget to allocate with time for essential non-call activities like breaks, training coaching, and team meetings. Agents need this time to recharge and develop, but it must be scheduled strategically to minimize the impact on service levels. Step 4. Implement real-time management. Even the most meticulously crafted workforce management plan requires real-time adjustments. Contact volumes fluctuate, agents call in sick and unexpected events occur. Successful contact centers establish robust real-time management systems to handle this inevitable variations. Implement a continuous monitoring of schedule adherence to track whether agents are following their assigned schedules. This isn't about micromanagement, it's about understanding where the day's reality diverges from the plan so you can make informed adjustments. Track real time service levels and wait times across all channels. This matrix serves as early warning signals, allowing you to intervene before small issues become major service failures. Set the shoals that trigger supervisors notifications when metrics are approached concerning levels. Develop systematic process for making transient adjustments when volume differs from the forecast. This might include offering voluntary time off during unexpectedly slow periods, requesting overtime during volume spikes, shifting agents between channels based on real-time demand, temporarily adjusting handle time and expectations when requests grow. Meanwhile, ensure you can provide agents with a consistent, timely feedback on performance. Agent who can see their metrics in relation to team goals and service level targets can self-correct before a supervisor intervention becomes necessary. Or real-time adherence monitoring enables supervisors to identify issues as they happen, not after the fact. The subsystem provides visual alerts when agents are out of adherence, allowing for immediate coaching opportunities rather than retroactive discussions. Step 5. Measure, analyze, and improve. That's the one of the top 10 SS agent performance and satisfaction. The most successful WFM plans balance operational efficiency with agent well-being. Regular service and communication can reveal opportunities to improve scheduling practices in ways that benefit both the business and agents. And update your WFF strategy. Based on your findings, create a cycle of continuous improvements. The most sophisticated contact centers treat their WFM plans as a living document that evolves alongside changing business needs and customer expectations. With this blog post has been republished by kind permission of Calabirio. View the original article. For more information about Calabirio, visit the Calabirio website. About Calabirio, the digital foundation of a customer-centric contact center. The Calabirio One Workforce Performance Suite helps enrich and understand human interactions, empowering contact centers as a brand guardian. Columbrio One units workforce optimization, WFO agent engagement, and business intelligence solutions into a called native full integration suite. Thank you so much for watching my video.